Discover a world of hidden gems in Carlow when you wander off the track. Take the path less trodden through the timeless and unspoiled Carlow landscape, where every picturesque village, sleepy nook, meandering river bend and rolling valley holds another treasure trove of hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. Hear the land whisper with colourful tales of our people, past and present. Feel the mystery and magic that surrounds Carlow. Lose yourself in fascinating histories of astounding buildings, grand country houses and gardens, and diverse characters as you uncover epic tales. Feel the worries of the world float away as you explore the captivating landscapes of the River Barrow, one of Ireland's longest river systems. You won't believe what stunning artistic and cultural surprises are waiting for you to discover here. There's something wonderful waiting for you in Carlow when you wander off the track. Feel inspired, feel charmed, feel free.